So we are in Piggly Wiggly, and oh my goodness, they got a lot of fresh fruits. I came out a good time.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight.
Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm getting some collard greens, and these are turnips. Look at this. They look like the straps. They did the same thing for the mustards. I ain't never seen that a day in my life. Where the bunch is at? It's like they just took them apart. Like, I'm glad the collard greens is in bunches though. I'm making it to where I ain't gotta buy theirs. I have my own out in my backyard, okay? That's what I'm getting to. But until then, you know, I'm gonna make them. I meant to say, y'all, I'm gonna get them. And then, you know, but they shall be coming out my backyard. Look what I see. Chitlins. What in the world? For this? Is that? Yup, 6 pounds. And then you get the 28 ounce 1 pound for $10.99. Oh no. Now come on now. No. I'd rather get the bigger ones from Food Line. No, and I ain't finna clean none. I used to clean chitlins all the time. I ain't finna clean none, not these days. Not right. But I'm particular about the ones I get, cause everybody don't know how to clean chitlins. And Stevens, the ones I get, I still have to cook them for hours and hours to my liking. Everybody can't cook them and everybody can't clean them. That's like the only company that I'm familiar with that cleans them well. Y'all, even Piggly Wiggly is higher than normal. No, because that don't feed a family of 5 decent, with a decent amount of meat. Meat is like the biggest problem for me, is having enough meat, okay? And this is their meat that don't have to be country ham trimmings, that don't have to be refrigerated. This is in a non-refrigerated cooler, right? This section. So let's see. The prices is kind of higher than what they normally would be. That's why I came here thinking I'll be able to find something a little cheaper, and everything is just so high, and they normally at a decent price here, especially when you're looking to feed multiple people daily, you know. Even my pig feet is high in here. Golly, they wasn't that price. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to see what Food Line got, cause yeah. And it's a whole picnic, $12.48, 13 something, 8 point something. I might get some of those. Let's go down here and see though. I'm not sure. Turkey necks, they don't look good. Nope. I would have got some of those, but it takes so many to feed everybody. That's why I gotta get what I'm gonna get, so we can have we start back butchering some of our stuff, and they gotta worry about this. Hey y'all, welcome back. So today is the next day. It is Thursday, January 30th, 2025, okay? And we're about to show you what we got from Piggly Wiggly, and also I'm gonna throw in what we got from Food Line, because when we left Piggly Wiggly we went on over to Food Line. I was too tired. We put this stuff in the refrigerator and the cold stuff, and was like, look, we'll get to it, okay? So I'm about to show you, we're about to show you everything that we ended up getting from Piggly Wiggly and the food line, okay? Alright, so we're gonna start right here with the chicken wings. Where's my glasses? Oh, I need more glasses. Oh, I get them. You already touched the bag. Oh, chicken. Okay. So here we go, y'all. Cause I can't see. We got these legs, okay? $6.98 for that one. Really good deal. We got a couple more packs. This one was $6.25. It's just like this with a lot of let me show y'all how much. The whole family pack for $6 and something. And we got another one at $6.27. And we ended up getting some more right here, $6.10 and $5.82. Oh, these are the chicken thighs. So those was legs. These are thighs, okay? $5.82, $6.16, and $5.89 and $6.16. Hold on, y'all. We need to wash hands because that some of that had liquor, and I don't want to transfer it to everything like my salt meat and stuff. So I got it from here. You can wash your hands, then I go ahead and wash mine. Some of the seem like the meat juices is on there. So right here also we got the whole picnic, okay, and it was $13.57 for a whole big boy 9 pounds one. And then we got this one right here was $13.22, and it's a 9.51 pound one right here, okay? So this is gonna be a lot of meat, and that was the goal. All right, y'all, so right here I got some sauce, and don't nobody in the house but Tatiana like sauce, and I hadn't had no sauce. Look at his face. I hadn't had no sauce in a while, in a couple of months, okay? I find it up here, but let me tell you, I've talked about this multiple times in my video. Let me see, when I went back home, I didn't film, did I? I didn't film 2018. No, I wasn't filming then. I wasn't well, I had the channels, but I wasn't filming for YouTube then, due to the circumstance why I had to go back home or whatnot to visit. But I wasn't filming then, but we go this in my hometown, Crystal Springs, Mississippi, for those of y'all that's on here that knows. We have the slaughterhouse and Wilson Meat House, okay? And this is where I would go to get hog head sauce there. And then there's another place like going towards this place called Hazelhurst. It was on the back roads. It was called B&B, okay? They used to have sauce and liver cheese, and oh my goodness, growing up, sauce was my thing. Me and my granny would go almost every day and get us some sauce so we can come back home and watch the soap operas. Oh, while she cooked, you know, whatever. Well, she had already cooked, but we still wanted sauce. She would cook really early, but I would want this sauce, y'all. So it don't taste like Wilson's Meat House sauce, but it's good. It's good. When we went there, he didn't get no sauce. He got, what did you get? The pork chop sandwich or the sausage links?
The sausage.
The sausage links. Yeah, that was the first time. You didn't go there when you was recruiting, did you? That was the first time he had went to Wilson Meat House, y'all. Let me tell you, Kylie don't care for meat that much, but baby, that girl could not stop jumping in and out that van to go and take a bite. She was trying to play with her cousins and stuff. And then we would like meet up or whatnot where we had met up at this in this parking lot called City Drugs, and they had like a snowball thing. I'm getting all off topic, reminiscing. But so we had just left Wilson Meat House, and Kylie kept jumping in, eating that sandwich, y'all. When I go back home this year, I'ma definitely have to give y'all a tour of it, okay? All right, y'all, camera battery went dead, had to change it out. All right, so where was I? I was reminiscing. But anyway, we ended up getting some bunches of collard greens, because I told y'all the greens in the cans, I don't care for, it's too stemmy. It'd be too many stems, And I don't put stems in my greens. I will pick these and take the stems, and I give the stems to the chickens. Okay, so I got like I think I ended up getting like 8 bunches. I think about 8 bunches of which greens were these? Collard greens. Collard greens. Okay. Then right here is just 3 heads of cabbage. I'm gonna be cooking up some cabbage, y'all, because I'm going back to, like I told you, I had been telling you, and I've been preparing, getting stuff ready, going back to my roots. I'm going back to the way my granny used to always, even though we would go get hog head salads and stuff, my granny always was up by 6 a.m. Food was ready. It was some collard greens, some mustard greens, some turnip greens, some cornbread, some smothered chicken, or something like that. It was always ready. I didn't eat a lot of lasagna and all that type of stuff that a lot of people eat. We was eating. It was always a vegetable, cornbread, and meat. Okay. Speaking of that, I forgot to tell y'all. This is something else that Oronde was like, get that. It was like, what was that y'all use? It was strips of bacon, salt pork, fatback. Okay. Fat back. But what we use. What my granny would use was, we call it salt meat. Okay, on here it say salt pork, but we would get that from Wilson Meat House too, and it was just the freshest. I use this up here, but it just don't taste the same like it did back home when we would go to the slaughterhouse. Okay, because that was like fresh. But we call it salt meat, and y'all call it fat back. But it was more like bacon y'all use, ain't it? It's the strips.
Yeah, no.
But it wasn't this though. Yeah, I like to use this. So I got 2 packs of that because that's my roots. You know, we from 2 different worlds. He from New York, I'm from Mississippi, and we do things different and eat things a little bit different. I think he's trying to see if he had some of the oh yeah, he got some that was in there. So this is what he used. Cured pork fat back. It looks like it's better, but it does taste different from the salt meat. So I guess it's different parts of the hog or something. All right. So what else? Okay, so I've already used some tomatoes. We had salad. So I got this pack of tomatoes from Piggly Wiggly. I think these didn't come from Piggly Wiggly. Okay, and then I got these strawberries, which I got to go ahead and get these bad boys together. Y'all will see that on Amazing Grace Garden Kitchen and Divine Treasures. Y'all see the process for that. But I did get 2 things of strawberries, and then I got some grapefruits because they was $1. I think $1 each. And when I got to the register, I got some mangoes too. The mangoes was ringing up $1.74 each, but they went on and changed them for $1 for me because that's what the sign said. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 mangoes, 5 grapefruits, okay, from Piggly Wiggly. Then I went on and I got some in the deep freezer already that I done cooked or whatnot, but I wanted to go ahead and start back keeping up my supply of these green peanuts. That's the only way I really like peanuts. I don't like roasted peanuts and nothing like that. I like boiled peanuts, okay? So I got 2 packs. I'm gonna do those and put those in the freezer. Right here is food line. So we start food lines now. It's food line. I had those from food line. So all this should be food line. Except for, what did I get these? No, these are Piggly Wiggly right here. So I ended up getting some of these pink lemons, okay? Hopefully my trees are produced this year more, so I have my own. And then I got some of these because they was a good price, lemons, okay? So I think that's all from Piggly Wiggly. Everything that was gotten from Piggly Wiggly, okay? Now over here, food line. So picked up 2 boxes of these Eggo pancake, buttermilk pancake, 24 count pancakes from Food Line. Back here I got some olives and some bread and butter chips. So right now gonna show the olives, okay? And then we got some 2 things of syrup. Oh, I'm moving a little faster, okay? Bread and butter chips. And then we got the Mrs. Butterworth's original syrup. Got 4 boxes of honey buns for my honey buns. Got some mayo because we was low on that. got some. We already done opened 2 bags of this, so this is the bag that's left because that night, last night we ended up eating salad, okay, when we got home. And I already done opened one of these. I had got 3 of these little sprinklers, tomatoes. These right here was a steal. They was on sale for $1.99, and I'm gonna put those in the air fryer. Steam and savory potatoes. Got some of the gold ones and some of the red ones, okay, $1.99. So I think I ended up getting, let's see, it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags. 7 bags of those, okay. What? Cholesterol and fat-free, good source of potassium, 110 calories per serving.
And
they have been triple washed, no need to peel, fast and easy prep. Okay, I'm probably gonna still wash mine. That's just how I am. Probably gonna still wash mine. Ain't no problem, I'm gonna still wash mine. Okay, machine washing and stuff is different from hand washing. And they be using them commercial washers. Okay, right here is some serrano peppers. I got plans for those. Got some bella, these little peppers. I got plans for those. And then I got some cucumbers right here. I think that's it right there for one. And then we got some milk bones for summer. And look, she would have laid out on the floor. Look, and then she gonna turn and say like, what? Like, what y'all want? And then I got 2 of these boxes of juices for the kiddos, okay? Even, look, I'm an adult and I drink these, okay? So, yeah, don't play, okay? Alright, so, yeah, that is what we got in our Food Line and Piggly Wiggly haul, okay?
how many people remember calling these quarter waters?
I never called them quarter waters. We called them little hugs. But look over here.
Quarter waters.
So New York, y'all call them quarter waters.
It was a quarter.
Oh.
It tastes like water.
So y'all call them quarter water. We called them 10-cent juices or little hugs. So they was 10 cents back home. So they was a quarter for y'all and they was 10 cents for us. Because my uncle would get these a whole lot on for me and my brothers to take to school for our snacks. We have those and chips.
You went to the corner store, also known as the bodega. And you got
also known as the what?
You got a bodega.
Bodega.
You got a quarter water, bag of chips, 50 cents. Now, if you had $1, you got a quarter water, a bag of chips, 25-cent Little Debbie cake. When they really actually had them full, now I don't know what you want to call them things, half servings, and you probably got you like a pack of Annihilators. Yeah,
the accent coming out. Can y'all hear? I was just sitting here like, when did he gonna say? Oh, he gonna go back to the stoop on the block.
That's what you went to.
That would it sound like you were
sat on the corner in front of the bodega and you add you some chips and quarter water, throw it back. Boom.
The accent came out a little harder that time, y'all. Alright, y'all. So, yeah, that is what we ended up getting. Y'all, look at this. Now, he done slumped all the way down like he's shorter than me. Look at it. When that knee hurt, don't say nothing. That don't look. Why it?
If I stand up, then I'm gonna be above the thing. So you know, I gotta scoop down and be in front.
Alright, y'all. So we're gonna end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that we upload a video. I hope y'all enjoyed this shopping vlog as much as we did. I hope it was motivational, inspirational, and all that good stuff. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this right here. Y'all be safe. Love y'all. Mwah. Peace.
Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we